everyone. So it's almost that time of the year when those of us who love gardening will be out and about doing our gardening work, and I have something to share with you that will make your life easier. Garden tool set, but let me show you this piece. Here we have something that looks like this when it's folded, but when you unfold, it turns into, just clicks, and you can just kneel onto this cushion and do your job. You can hold on to it, help yourself get off, and these handy pockets go onto your handles, and you can put all your tools, gardening tools in here. There are multiple pockets, 2 right here and 2 on top. You can put your tools in here, you can put your phone, your keys, so it doesn't fall out and get the soil. This is perfect. Now, tools. We have gardening gloves. Cute little shovel, and it has a little cheat sheet right on the shovel. This is when you have to dig certain depth. It's all on here. There's a little bigger shovel. And there's this tool. I'm guessing this is going to be perfect to kind of pull the weeds and cut it with this indent. I'm pretty sure you'll find plenty of things to do with this little tool. And then we have this tool for pruning. And last but not least, we have this cutest little tote. It has pockets and nice and big tote. And you can also use it as a little bench because it has cushions on both sides. You can sit here, or you can kneel on here and work in the garden. How to fold it, we have, if you pull it, you can see it pushes in, and at that point you can fold this part in. And same thing on the other side. To unfold, just pull it out until it clicks. So if you love gardening, hurry up and get yourself one. And if you know someone who loves gardening, this is the best gift for gardeners. It has a nice grip over here, and it's fairly thick, so you don't get tired. Nice clippers. This is perfect tote for when you're ready to harvest. They're like deep side pockets that you can easily put this in. And smaller pockets. Love it.